This scent. This woman. It's like every molecule in my body is on fire.
What was that? That wolf that was chasing me?
It's a rogue wolf on our territory. Wolves like that don't belong here.
But you saved me?
It's my job, isn't it?
But how did you even know I was in danger?
Your scent. I couldn't.
I can't believe he's here with me. I mean, this is the Alpha. What could he want with me?
Who are you?